it's very raining here. It was heavily raining here, so see this bird. It's just having shelter here. So pretty this looks like. See, it's full wet, the bird. It's just standing here to get shelter because it's protected from the rainfall. So it's better for this bird. And this is the back street of the Petaling Street. It's just Petaling Street, the main way. And here is the small stalls, shops, and here in the back, see how. And this all are very dark. It's almost 7:30, 7:45. Here it's safe. Bye. Bye. See. Now we can see the nice decorations of the restaurant here. It's a Petaling Street here. And the bird is just behind of this food stall. It's really nice to see the bird to take the shelter behind that food stall because they were full of wet, you know.